be a source of entertainment. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, you're gonna be YouTube fodder here in a little bit.
I don't know.